What's good, CNC gang? Y'all already know. It's your boy Chris.
And your girl Crystal.
If you're new to the channel, make sure you click that subscribe button, click that bell, turn your post notifications coming on the family. You dig? Oh my goodness. Why is she always looking beautiful, guys? She's always looking amazing. Like, I love Crystal so much, guys. Like, you don't understand. Like, I can stare at her every single day and just know how lucky I am. Like, I'm just lucky. Guys, comment below and let me know, like, do you compliment your woman throughout the day like I do? I know I do. I always tell Crystal she looks amazing, she looks beautiful. And don't look at me like that. You making me stutter right now. You getting me shy on camera right now, you know what I'm saying?
He is so cute, guys. He's handsome. He's a handsome fellow too, right?
No, I shaped up a little bit, you know, whatnot. Something light. Crystal's birthday's coming, so you know I gotta keep my hair right and all that. So her birthday's Tuesday, guys. Tuesday.
Is it really?
It's on a Tuesday.
I'm not even paying attention. I honestly feel like I've been blessed this month, guys, with like just gifts coming in left and right, and I just want to say thank you to everyone. It's coming quick. Like, it's been like, I know it's this month, but I still feel like it's so further away, and it's not because I'm like trying to procrastinate or anything. I'm gonna be 35, guys. I'm super proud of being 35 and being alive at 35 and being where I am in this life right now at 35, and I just feel blessed. She's killing it. She's killing 35, like serious. You're killing it, baby. You're looking very hot. You hot too, puppy. How old are you? 31. He's gonna be 32 this year, guys. He's 31 years old. 31 is a nice age. It's really I feel good, to be honest. Like, I feel healthy, strong, alive, ready to go. I'm ready to run. We're just vlogging today, guys, but I honestly feel like you're as young as your mind is. Like, I know that the body has a lot to do with it, and if it is like it's anything medical or anything when it comes to the mind, but you are really as young as live your life every day fully. And we wish you guys the best, and smile, guys, because we love you guys. And right now we are on our way to go get an energy drink again. Then we're gonna go somewhere to read because we need to get out the house and hopefully get Crystal sneakers today, because yesterday we had tried, everything was closed, and we went into one spot but they didn't actually have her sneakers, so we're gonna try again today. Yeah, and then we still have to go get some more water, so we're just running around. We're bringing you guys with us, guys. Normal day, guys. Today's just a little normal day, you know. Let's see what we get ourselves into. Alright, guys, so we just got to the mall, praying and hoping that they got these sneakers for Crystal, because I really want to get them. Again, I tried yesterday and they were closed. Our intentions was to go in Foot Locker, but we didn't catch them on time. We went into some other sneaker store and they didn't have them. We've come to find out I was about to end up buying me some sneakers because they had some good shit in there. So we're gonna go in here real quick and see if they actually have Crystal sneakers. We come in here to get sneakers. I know, and I end up. And you end up in Victoria's Secret. What you getting from me? I don't know. Ooh, come over here. Oh my goodness, look at this. Ooh, goodness, this is sexy. This is sexy, man. That is sexy. That's sexy, right? Oh, this is cute. I like this one. Oh, this is like I'm telling you, you love a leopard for some reason. I don't know what it is. Any pattern. Ooh, like, look at that green one. I'm into patterns. That green one is sexy. That's cute. This is cute. This is sexy. Ooh. Baby, what's up? You want to keep it a secret? Okay, guys, so Chris actually just went to the bathroom, which gave me the perfect opportunity to fill you guys in and let you know exactly what it is that I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be pranking Chris by throwing up blood to guys' reaction. So I'm not going to be doing it right now, but when it is that we get home later on, and don't skip to the video, watch the video, the vlog is going to be lit. I'm going to prank him. Basically, he's going to just find me and I'm going to be either throwing up. I don't know if I'm going to just be sleepy. Maybe I'll wake him up by throwing up blood. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wake him up by throwing up blood. So if you guys want to see his reaction, make sure you keep watching. Again, if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and come to the family, guys. We are literally almost at 50K. I don't know why I'm whispering, but I'm hoping that he doesn't catch me doing this intro. But yeah, guys, we're gonna wait till we get home to prank him. So definitely hit the like button, get this video to like 1,000 likes right now, and let us know if you subscribe so you guys can get a chance to win a post notification shout out. We love you guys. Let's get straight to this video.
Alright guys, so we found a pair of sneakers for Crystal that she liked, but they were actually different ones. She fell in love with these as well.
Yeah, I don't know, they were like an army green, and then like I really think I kind of had my heart set on the beige, so now I'm just contemplating. I'm like indecisive.
I liked it, the army greens. They were actually nice. She's got this like light beige outfit, and I think it would have went really nice with her outfit. Like it would have been nice. But her heart is set on those sneakers, so right now we are trooping, searching for those pair of sneakers. So hopefully we find them.
If not, then we're gonna have to go back.
Alright guys, so we just got home, and Crystal, I am telling you, she is very, very picky, but it turned out good. And we got something really, really good. Like, come to find out, we actually bought one and got one free. So that was a good choice. That was a, now I know why you was waiting. Turned out, like I said, it turned out really, really good.
Guys, we literally went through like 6 different stores, and to be honest, you guys gotta try these. I don't know if you guys like vegan. I don't know, they're just veggie chips. These Eaten Pass veggie crisps. They're rice, black beans, and peas. So good. They're like a rice cake with like so much flavor.
Look at that. You can see that?
And I got me some booties for the winter. You know the cold is coming.
Oh, look at these guys.
I absolutely love that color.
Really nice. And you got them in black. I had to get them in black. Can't go wrong with black, guys.
Those are the boho ones.
And then these.
And then this is to match my outfit.
Got the Adidas. See that, guys?
I had to get something that was like comfy enough, because I was literally going through like 4 and 5 different ones, and I didn't want to spend too much, and I ended up coming out with a bargain.
So that long wait, guys, got her this right here. That's my baby, you know? You gotta love her. She's picky.
What's up, guys? So it is literally the next morning. We came home. I literally just did my nails, got tired, fell asleep, and I wasn't able to actually do this prank. So I'm gonna finish the prank off today. So right now, Chris is sleeping. I am going to take our fake blood and put it in the room. I'm just gonna start calling. I don't know when he wakes up. I'm just like have blood all over my face, and then see how he reacts. If you guys want to see his reaction, keep watching. Again, make sure you get this video to like 1,000 likes. Let's get it. It is literally so cool. It's been getting really, really cold and warm, and it's like so early in the morning right now. It's like time to get into the bed.
You okay? Oh, what the fuck? Baby, you okay? Oh, fuck! Baby, wait, put your hand right here, put your hand right here. What the fuck? What is that? It's dripping. Oh, shit! Oh. Babe, what is that? Oh my God. What the fuck? What are you doing? What is that? Are you okay? Oh. Oh. Are you okay? Babe. Babe. What is that? Oh shit. What the fuck? Are you okay? Oh. Babe. What is wrong? What is that? Are you okay?
Oh,
Are you sure?
I just started choking in my sleep.
Come on, let's go to the hospital. Come on.
No,
Let's go.
I don't want to go to the hospital.
Why not?
Can you give me a wipey?
No, come on.
Please?
Let's go to the hospital, baby. Come on. Fuck that. It's me like this. Come on, let's go. Baby. Come on, let's go. I'm going like this. Baby, come on. Babe. Come on, let's go. I'm fucking staying like this. Come. Baby, get up. Come on, my love, get up. Let's go to the hospital. This is not normal. Baby, you don't just cough up blood. Baby. Get out of here, don't touch.
Can you get the camera?
I'm going to the living room.
I can't believe you. You're giving me a heart attack, bro. You're waking me up like that.
I'm sorry, I love you. You know I'm just playing, it's just a joke.
I didn't know it was no joke. That was a fucking lot of blood, bro.
Guys, to be honest, lately we've been like coughing up, like we told you guys, we've been like fighting.
That's why I got scared.
So I know he definitely was like, what the heck is going on right now?
Well, guys, we've been having this call for like at least 3 weeks, man.
He's been having this call. I've been like here and there, not really, but yeah, this is definitely a pass.
That's not fair. You know,
I love you, man.
come on, you got me good, bro. Like my chest is like crazy right now. You gave me anxiety, guys. This is out of guys. This is crazy.
Guys, I hope you guys like this video. If you did, make sure you smash the like button. Get this video to like 1,000 likes. So guys, before we go,
it's just me.
No, it's not.
Ooh, what the heck? You see, this is weird. Google, we ain't even talking to you.
Google be talking crazy, bro. Okay, so before we go, guys, we do have to give our daily post notification shout out. So today's post notification shout out goes to Carlene, right?
Hey, shout out to you, girl. You already know we love you. Thank you for joining CNC fam, and whoever else would like a shout out at the end of the video, all you gotta do is subscribe to Chris and Chris too. Make sure you turn on your post notifications and follow us on social media. Everything's in the description.
It's your girl Crystal
And your boy Chris.
We're out, guys.
Peace.
Bye, guys.